Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to search for flights using incognito mode on Google. Many people believe that using incognito mode might help you find cheaper flight prices since it prevents cookies and browsing history from being stored. While this isn't officially proven, it's definitely something you can try for yourself. First, open your browser and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select New Incognito window. This will open a private browsing tab. In this new tab, type Google Flights into the search bar and press Enter. Scroll down and click on the link that appears to go to the Google Flights website. From here, search for your trip just like normal. You can choose round trip, one-way, or multi-city, and enter your departure and destination. Then click Explore to see results. On the left-hand side, you'll see all available flights, and you can even change the currency if needed. If you find a flight you're interested in, you'll need to save the details. To do that, right-click on the URL in the address bar and select Copy. Then, open your regular browser window. Paste the link and press Enter. This allows you to view or book the same flight while logged in to your main account. And that's it. That's how you can search for flights in incognito mode on Google Flights. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.